Klipsch Soundbars. TV can sound so much better. Let's face it, today's TVs look great, but their sound is as thin as they are, underwhelming and disappointing. Klipsch reference soundbars are ready to change the game. With the Klipsch RSB6 and its slightly larger cousin, the RSB11, the choice for wildly improved home theater audio is simple. Let's take a closer look. The RSB6 features two Klipsch Tractrix horns for crisp highs, two mid-range speakers for clear vocals and soundtracks, easy one HDMI cable connection with 4K Ultra HD pass-through, and built-in Dolby audio decoding for crystal clear sound. And of course, an auto-connecting wireless subwoofer with a 6.5-inch downward-firing woofer for earth-shaking, cinema-like bass. Tie it all together with the included remote and you're ready to enjoy TV sound that's full and clear. For those with a TV that's 50 inches or larger, or a bigger space, check out the RSB11. It's also got the detailed, impactful sound that Klipsch is known for, plus 3 HDMI inputs, 4K Ultra HD video pass-through, super easy setup, an included remote, and an amazing 8-inch wireless subwoofer that looks great in any room. Both soundbars have Bluetooth compatibility, so you can listen to tunes from phones, computers, and other audio devices. And they both have virtual surround sound, dialogue enhance, and night listening modes, as well as options for wall mounting or placement on TV furniture, and lots more. It's simple. Klipsch reference soundbars with wireless subs have the flexibility, easy setup, and big room-filling power to make your TV
Introducing a new dimension in premium cinema-inspired surround sound. The Vizio Home Theater Sound System with Dolby Atmos. Revolutionary upward-firing speakers from Vizio that leverage the latest advances in breakthrough Dolby sound technology to generate extraordinarily immersive audio that moves all around you with astonishing realism. The Vizio Home Theater Sound System elevates your entertainment to new heights with dedicated upward-firing speakers built into the main soundbar, as well as the rear speakers. These innovative multi-directional speakers project a powerful dome of dynamic sound that envelops you from every direction, even from above. Add in Vizio's newly redesigned wireless subwoofer for even greater room-shaking depth, and you'll experience a new standard in cinema-inspired surround sound that's breathtakingly immersive. The Vizio Home Theater Sound System is Dolby Vision compatible and supports 4K, HDR10, and other HDR standard content. Chromecast is also built in. Cast your favorite music and podcasts from Chromecast-enabled apps on your phone to any other speaker or soundbar in the house that supports Chromecast. And with Vizio SmartCast or Google Home apps, you can easily manage and control soundbars and speakers. And thanks to built-in voice support for Google Assistant, you can control the Vizio Home Theater Sound System using just your voice. Bring your home theater entertainment to life like never before with stunningly immersive sound that flows above and around you and takes you deeper inside the action. The Vizio Home Theater Sound System. Welcome to a new dimension of sound.
The Denon home speakers have been highly awarded by press for sound quality and HEOS network function. I'm very happy that Denon now launches a soundbar as part of the Denon home family. Starting with the size, compared to traditional soundbars, the 550 is small. So if the area around your TV is limited, no worries. The 550 can fit perfectly and does not bother your interior. The installation is easy. Just connect the soundbar with the included HDMI cable to the TV, set up the network connection, and done. Now you can enjoy the Denon home sound. However, what you can get is more than usual soundbar. Denon is known as home cinema specialist, and that's why the 550 features immersive 3D sound from Dolby Atmos and DTS:X. You can select the sound mode from music, movie, pure, and night, and even enhance dialogue clarity. On top of the HEOS built-in streaming functions and the HDMI eARC for the TV, there are additional inputs. This gives you more options to connect your sources, and there is no need to connect the devices all the way up to the TV. Thanks to AirPlay, you can listen to YouTube sound from the 550 just by enabling AirPlay on your iOS device. Now let me operate the new Denon Home Soundbar 550. You can select the input source from the remote control and the HEOS app easily. You can also quickly play, pause, and volume up and down on the touch control panel of the soundbar. When Alexa is available, you can ask Alexa to control the volume, or send commands like Alexa, play music, or Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 12:06 p.m.
It seems it's time to end my video. But before I finish, I have to add one more thing. Now, if you even want more impressive surround sound, you can build a real 5.1 surround system by adding any pair of Denon home speakers and HEOS-enabled subwoofer.
Fantastic. What a great actor. Really good.